Hi Vivian, I wanted to do this video since you're not able to Zoom with me, so I can show you how to navigate, and hopefully that will help you get to the assignments. I'm sorry you're having trouble. I know that's frustrating, and I hope that this will help clear it up so you can get your work done. So I'm on the home screen of our Canvas course here. Mine may look slightly a little bit different than yours on some of the spots just because I'm in my view. But you should see over here in blue your menu bar and click on modules. And when you click on modules, it will take you to, of course, all this beginning stuff. But as you scroll down, you'll see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, etc. And so anything that you see in the module that has a due date and points, that's an assignment that you need to complete. So I'm not sure if you're just, I looked at the grade book and it looks like you're, missing almost everything at this point. And so it's not just the Connect assignments you're not getting to, it looks like all assignments. So some assignments send you out to Connect and some of them live right here in Canvas. So let me go down to one that has both types of assignments so we can see that. But you'll need to go back and start at the Getting Started module and make sure you've completed everything. So if you scroll down to the week 2 module, this is what we did in week 2, and you can see there's a couple different assignments here. So this first one is one that doesn't live in Connect. So when you click on it, it will take you right to the assignment here. So it'll tell you what you need to do. And then here's the grading rubric, and you'll have a submission box on yours. I don't have that because, again, I'm in my view, but you'll have that submission box there. And then you can go back to the week 2 module. That was, oops, it's going down. That was this assignment right here. So the ones that are like that, it'll just open up for you. Now, you'll need to start at the first item in the module. So open up the first item there and then click down here, next. And it takes you to the next item in the module. And I always have a video for you in the module at the beginning so that you know everything that you're doing for the week and what assignments you have and so forth. So I'm going to click, I'm going to keep clicking next. Here is your PowerPoint. So you go here to do that and then click next. Again, it's just showing you, it takes you to the next item in the module. There's that assignment I just showed you. And I'm going to click next to get to one that is in Connect. So if your Connect account is all set up and you verified that it was, then you just click launch and it launches you out into that. Yours will look like this. The assignment will come up right here for you. And then you just answer and then click, when you're done answering, you'll see a submit button up here in the right hand corner, and then click return to Canvas, and it takes you back into the course. Click on modules, and there you go. So that's how you get to the assignments. If that's what you're doing and you're starting at the first item in the module, start with week 1 here, click next, read, again, all of these, a lot of these are informational and may not have assignments with it, but everything you need to complete the assignments would be there. And keep hitting next. Then you should get to everything in there. If you're doing it exactly like that and you're still having trouble, it's going to be an IT issue on your end. Something may be blocking access to the course for whatever reason, your firewall or something like that, and we'll need to call the IT department so they can walk you through of how to lessen your firewalls. But the assignments are out there. That's how you should be able to get to them. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please either way email me back and let me know if that helps you at all. Have a good day. We'll get it figured out.